I'm here with Sonny, or brother.
Yeah.
Can I call you brother?
Yeah, you can
all
call
right,
me
brother.
brother.
Yeah, all right. And we're here at a monastery, or where are
We
we?
are in the temple now.
We're in the temple,
We are in the temple, Hindu temple of Shiva.
the Hindu temple of Shiva. Yes, and we're
Shiva.
going to cook some traditional Indian food,
Indian,
right?
pure veg.
Pure veg.
Pure veg.
I think they don't eat anything but veg in the temple, right?
Yeah, no problem. From the veg, it's anywhere in the temple you can make. In Hinduism, no problem. If you make non-veg, the monk with big stick, they make you run away.
They beat?
Yeah. In my 7th generation, we are belong from Brahmin family, local from Varanasi, and we are every person, all my family, veg. Nobody eat non-veg.
Okay.
One of the local specialty cuisines in Varanasi is called Batti Chocka. And I'll admit, I was surprised at how good it was. It starts with a fire fueled not by wood, but by buffalo dung.
We're making a fire out of buffalo dung.
Buffalo?
Buffalo dung.
Buffalo dung.
Buffalo poop, right?
Yes, buffalo
Yeah.
poop. But
Buffalo
it's
dung.
working so good from fire.
Does it make a nice fire?
Yeah, it makes nice fire to work a long time.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Which is common in rural India. It burns slowly and imparts a nice smoky flavor to the food that you wouldn't get on a range. The batti, which is an unleavened wheat bread, is kneaded by hand.
He's doing something that's awesome. He is definitely doing something awesome, and I don't know where it is, brother. He's making batti ball, but he's really getting into it. Yeah.
Rolled into balls and thrown right onto the fire. No foil, no baking tray, just directly onto the glowing cow dung. It's beautiful and primal.
Varanasi changing. You told me it was changing yesterday.
Old-
Right.
Varanasi Alice, very famous. When people walk from the small Alice like Cobra Street,
Alicia.
and they get lost and they can ask people where's this way, they can go this alley, then that alley, they can find the way. And they feel surprised.
Will they take all the alleyways away?
Everything, 500 house they take it. 500,
Oh yeah, they took your house, didn't
Yeah,
they?
500 house they gone, and 500 people they destroyed from they belong from generation to
Was your
generation.
house old?
Yes.
How old was it?
My house belong from 7 generation. My father and father and father belong from there.
So like 1800s?
7 generation, you can imagine how many.
Like 30 years a generation? Wow. So 7 times 30, 210 years old? And wow. So they tore that down.
Yeah, pull up, destroy all, take it the property, they give amount, and then we don't have any option. They give money, you can buy anywhere. So
So now,
we move from there to come back to this area.
do you like your new house? Is it old?
My earth place is earth place, you know.
But still.
Anywhere you can go, but your feeling always there because you grow from there.
Right. You preferred your house that they tore down.
Yeah. This is a name of Annapurna. Annapurna means the food god,
Okay.
god of food temple.
Oh, that's why we're cooking here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right on.
And that's why we get pleasure from the Annapurna temple to make the food. That is a kind of also the connection from the Lord. When you come in India, when you visit in Varanasi, you connect on this earth. Okay? You get the chance for the food. So you are very lucky also from that
I am
way.
very lucky. I feel very lucky
Thank
to
you.
have met all of you guys. Very lucky.
That is a lucky means makes pleasure.
Yeah.
And you have a nice pleasure, that's why you are here.
Thank you.
Next, tomatoes and eggplants are laid on and around the coal until they have a blistery, charred exterior and soft, smoky flesh. Once everything is cooked, the eggplant and tomatoes are peeled.
Take this off?
Careful, okay?
I'm a good peeler.
Yeah.
I'm pretty good at this. Yeah.
Mashed together by hand with raw garlic, onions, green chilies, mustard oil, salt, and fresh coriander to make the choka. This part, the mixing by hands, no spoons or gloves, was a bit of a culture shock for me, but hey, when in Rome, or more accurately, when in Varanasi.
Potato, this all material, put inside, mix, cocktail, and then get ready.
Okay.
Chokha. Potato also mix. Garlic, onion, chili, everything gonna mix.
Beautiful.
And green mint also. In Hindi called dhania.
Danya.
Dhania.
Danya. Danya. Well, they're not going to cook it, so let's see how it goes, right?
The dish is served with rice and dal, a simple and a beautiful accompaniment. But hey, we were in the temple, and in the temple, God eats first. Before anyone takes a bite, an offering is made to God.
All right, so we're going to eat now, but first we have to offer something to the Lord, and He's going to eat first.
Then we can
Then we all take part. Yeah.
Namaste.
Namaste to you.
God bless you.
Yeah.
And in this case, God got 2 plates. Each one contained a mountain of food. Apparently, God was hungry that day.
Now they're going to chanting mantra, offering to the Lord, make well, okay, ting ting, and make namaste, and ceremony is complete. You see like that. See behind. So that is a 2 Lord place, the feet of the Lord. So both place they can offer the food, and the process
Is that for
complete.
Shiva?
Yeah.
For Shiva?
This is a temple from Annapurna, female god.
Okay.
Annapurna. So that is not Shiva, that is Annapurna.
Annapurna eats there.
Yeah.
And Annapurna eats.
The food god.
So Annapurna eats there and there.
There. So 2 place, so both place they have to offer 2 thali from separately.
She eats a lot.
Yeah, after, they offer and they can share from us.
Oh, okay.
It is a moment of reverence. The monk rings a bell in holy ritual. After God's been fed, we eat. We sit on the ground barefoot with our tray of food. Where's the fork? There aren't any. We eat with our hands. At first, I was clumsy, spilling food everywhere, struggling to scoop up the dal and rice without making a mess. But my companions, amused or probably disgusted by my efforts, taught me the tricks. How to roll it into a ball and scoop it up with 3 fingers. Bring it to my mouth without dropping the better part of it. At first, this very earthy and intimate meal felt odd, but I settled into it. Now I see there's got to be something to it. The food tasted incredible, as if eating with the hands improves the flavor.
न तावत सुखम शांति संतापनाशम प्रसीद प्रभो सर्वभूतादिवासम न जानामि योगम जपम नैव पूजम न तोहम सदा सर्वदा सगुतुभ्यम जरा जन्म दुःखगतातप्यमानं प्रभो पाहि आपन्नमामि शंभो रुद्राष्टकमिन्दं प्रोक्तं विप्रेणर्तोषे ये पठन्ति नरा भक्त्यां तेषां शंभु प्रसीदति ओम महादेव शिव शंकर शंभु उमाकांत हर त्रिपुरारी मृत्युंजय मृत्युभध्वजशूलिन गंगाधर मृदमडनारी हर शिव शंकर गौरीश वंदे गंगाधरमीशं रुद्रपशुपतमीशानन कलिये काशीपुरीनाथं